What can you create from a few simple pieces of wood? Watch this wooden window come together from start to finish. Now comes one of my favorite details. This special cutter creates a beautiful half-round profile in the wood. It may look like a small detail, but it completely changes the appearance of the finished window. I take the pieces, I just cut and run them through the machine to create the curved profile along the edges. The goal is a smooth, symmetrical shape that will give the window a traditional handmade look. This is where precision really starts to matter. Now we move to the most interesting part of this design, the ventilation section. These angled wooden slats are designed to allow air to pass through the window, while giving it a clean and classic appearance, one by one. I position the pieces in the center section. Getting the spacing right is important, because I want every louver to line up perfectly. This combination of traditional woodworking and practical ventilation is what makes this window special. With the center ventilation section taking shape, it's time to bring all the parts together. I start fitting the shaped upper and lower sections into the window frame. Each piece has its own position, and everything needs to come together cleanly and accurately. This is one of the most satisfying parts of woodworking, watching separate pieces slowly become one complete project. Now I'm checking the alignment and making sure the decorative curves and the ventilation slats work together visually. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in the final result. This is handmade woodworking, so patience and precision are just as important as the machines themselves. And now the window is finally coming together. For individual sections, carefully shaped and assembled to create one complete wooden window. From rough boards to a detailed exterior window, this is the transformation. And here is the finished result. A traditional wooden window with decorative details and built-in ventilation. And this is just one of the wooden projects from my workshop. I also build wooden doors, interior windows, and other custom woodworking projects. If you enjoy real woodworking and handmade projects, subscribe and follow along for the next build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.